Welcome to a new video of just10facts.com.
Today we are going to talk about the shiny object syndrome.
Entrepreneurial goals? If so, you may suffer from shiny object syndrome, a common challenge among business owners. But don't worry, you're not alone. You can overcome shiny object syndrome by implementing practical strategies and techniques and reclaiming control over your attention and productivity. In a long-read article on our website, we'll explore recognizing the signs, developing a long-term vision, staying focused, and more. You will find the link below this video. Now I am going to give you 10 facts. 1. Shiny object syndrome origin. Shiny object syndrome, SOS, originated in business. It describes the attraction to new projects or objectives, like a magpie to shiny objects. 2. Psychological roots. SOS is rooted in psychology, specifically the novelty-seeking aspect of human nature. New items or ideas trigger pleasure in the brain due to dopamine. 3. Impact on productivity. SOS often leads to decreased productivity. Constant shifts in focus result in unfinished projects and scattered efforts. 4. Prevalent in entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs and startups are especially prone to SOS. They are tempted to pivot to new opportunities, often at the expense of established plans. 5. Digital age amplification. The digital age has amplified SOS. Rapid technological advancements and endless new apps and tools make it more prevalent than ever. 6. Relationship with ADHD. Individuals with ADHD are susceptible to SOS. They struggle with attention and are drawn to new ideas or projects. 7. A barrier to mastery. SOS hinders mastery in any field. Chasing new ideas prevents deep progress and expertise development. 8. Linked to FOMO. SOS is linked to the fear of missing out, FOMO. The anxiety of missing out on a better idea or path drives the pursuit of newness. 9. Affects consumer behavior. SOS influences consumer behavior. It drives the constant demand for the latest gadgets, fashion, and trends. 10. Mitigation strategies. To combat SOS, practice mindfulness, set clear goals, and establish priorities. Recognize the lure of newness while staying committed to your chosen path. Thanks for watching.
Click the link below for more in-depth information on our website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed of our new videos.